Hey guys, welcome back to Jason Journey Builds. We're back in the shop today working on our 66 Bronco. We've got some exciting stuff going on today. We're finally going to put our engine transmission in the chassis. So been waiting about a year for this. We started this March, April last year, I guess, when we bought it, right, Johnny?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, well, anyways, it's taken us a year to get to this point. We've actually done a lot, but what we're going to do is we've got our AOD that Steve Grant built for us. We've got it bolted up. We have our transmission cross member bolted up. And if you guys haven't seen, the video where I fabricated that, we'll link that to the back of this video. And it's actually this here. What I did, I modified the original, the 3-speed cross member to fit the AOD. So you guys that are maybe making this same swap, if you're interested, go check that out. But this is going to be hopefully short and sweet. It's a little sketchy. I know that this contraption looks a little funky, but I'm double chained up front, a heavy strap in the back, trying to distribute the load so when I pick it up it stays straight and I can bring it and set it down. So I guess it's time. You ready?
I'm ready if you're ready.
All right, let's do it.
Just don't drop it. How am I looking? Just watch your brake line over here on this side.
Thank you. So,
I missed Jason's sigh of relief there because I was too busy trying to watch.
oh, that's nerve-wracking. I want to beat it up. All right, guys, here it is. It's got a home. It looks so good. I'm not just saying that because it's mine. I'm happy with it. That looks really good. So a couple things you guys might see is I've got my low car TV cable just sort of tied up here for now. So this is something that we can do here pretty soon and get it connected all to the carburetor. But and something else we got to finish is our twin stick install. So we'll get that done maybe here in the next couple days, maybe even today. So speaking of twin sticks, we need to put our transfer case on. So we'll go ahead and do that here in just a second. Now we're kind of bouncing around here a little bit, but I want to go ahead and stick our transfer case on. And the gasket doesn't quite go around this hub that for the advanced adapters. So I'm gonna have to trim it. Basically just take a little bit of make the diameter a little bit larger so the gasket will slide past this aluminum hub right here. This is part of the advanced adapters that slides into the other portion there. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and kind of take my time and just trim it real quick. I'm just going to put gasket maker on this fiber gasket on both sides between the transfer case and the AOD so we don't get moisture or any leaks. So I know it looks kind of messy, but try to avoid these leaks. Let's put some assembly lube on the shaft here. And I'm gonna wipe the extra off. I don't want to make sure I don't have any that gets pushed inside that transmission, because you know these automatics are pretty fickle. All right. This thing's really looking good, isn't it, Johnny?
Yes, it is.
She keeps fussing at me because I just stop and stare at it. But I just, you know, any artist likes to admire their work. So this is fun.
Well, I'm ready to see the end product.
Yeah, me too.
You can stare at it for a few minutes, but then you need to get with it.
I gotta remember about this one stud is right up next to it, so you gotta kind of get it tightened down first. You don't remember on this stud here, get it started before you try to start pulling all these others up, because the way the casting is, it kind of gets in the way. Well, I don't think these these nuts won't just fly in there and tighten themselves. The cross member's in the way. Johnny, I told you. All right, let's get these pulled down because I don't want that RTV to dry on me.
You see if Madison's fingers will fit back there.
Yeah, I don't think it will. Guys, don't do what I did. Make sure you get your transfer case bolted up to your transmission before you put in your cross member. Well, anyways, with mine, I didn't realize it was that close. So it's just kind of stuff you run into. this thing tightened up. Another big step today. I just can't stop looking at it. I'm sorry. Hi guys, thanks for coming out. Yeah, y'all at my house. Thanks for Thank you guys for hanging out with us today and just moving forward with this Bronco. The next thing I want to do is we'll get the exhaust out. I got the Tom's long tube headers and the Duff rear exhaust kit, so we can go ahead and get it installed also. And then we'll do fuel tank, fuel lines, and then we'll be able to pull this thing out of the shop and go throw a cover on it and get back started on the body. So we're making some big gains. But thank you guys for hanging out, and we'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care. Bye.